Hello and welcome to another episode of my GameMaker tutorials. In this episode I'm going to talk about how to draw and use enemy health bars, which can be used for absolutely anything, not just health bars like shields, ammo, whatever you like, but the same concepts apply. So I've preloaded all my graphics, and my player object has all the movement stuff on him. Bomb object's got nothing on it, and my skeleton object's got nothing on it. This is where we've been mostly doing our work on the skeleton object. So what you need to do is start off with a create event, and here we're going to add three variables. In our first variable we're going to type in HP underscore max, and I'm going to give it a value of 100. That's going to be the maximum value our health can actually be. And then we type another one, HP underscore current. This will be the current value of the HP, so it's the start of the game, it will also be 100. And then finally, you want to go HP underscore percent. This is useful for making it so you can make the bar any size, any shape you want. If you're not just using rudimentary numbers like I am at the moment with just hundreds. And this is done calculated by doing HP underscore current divided by HP underscore max, all in brackets, and then multiplied by 100, and that'll give you a percentage value between 0 and 100 of how much health you have. Then you want to go to add event, step event, and then you want to copy over the HP percent to the step event. Okay, so it updates the percentage as the game goes on. Then we can go add event, collision with bomb, and now we're going to take away some health, so go HP underscore current and take away 10, make sure it's relative so it takes it away from its current value, and then destroy the bomb instance, so you drag in destroy instance and change it to other. If you leave it itself it will destroy the skeleton, other means it will destroy whatever it's colliding with. Okay, and that's that. Then comes the drawing part, so add event, draw. And as I've previously mentioned in other videos, if you use the draw event, it will wipe out the current sprite assigned to the object. So go to the draw tab, draw the sprite again, and tick relative. Then I'm going to start drawing my bar. So I'm going to first of all choose a colour. I'm going to choose like a light red, and then I'm going to draw a rectangle. Now I'm going to make my rectangle 50 pixels, my health bar, my 50 pixels wide. So I'm going to make it centered. So simply just half the width of your health bar and put a minus in front of it. So I'm going to have 50 pixels, half of that's 25. I'm going to have minus 25. Now X1 refers to the leftmost edge of the rectangle, so it's this bit of the edge. X2 refers to the rightmost edge of the rectangle. Y1 refers to the top, and Y2 refers to the bottom. Okay, so minus 25, so it takes away 25 from its current position, which is 0, and it draws one side of it. Y1 I'm going to go as minus 40, so it appears above the sprite, and Y2 is minus 50, so it gives it like a 10 pixel height. X2 is where the magic happens. Here you want to type in the same as the X1, but then use add, and in brackets put in HP percent divided by a value, and the value you want is whatever value it takes to get your HP percent down to the width of your bar. So my HP percent is 100, therefore I want to get down to 50. I have to divide by 2. So divide by 2. Okay. Make sure you use a division and nothing else, or you can multiply it by a decimal number if you really want, but that will do just fine. Leave it as filled and make sure you tick relative. If that still doesn't make sense, please leave comments or send me a message and I'll try to explain it better. But if you follow that, it should be fine. Now I'm going to just pretty it up. I'm going to draw another colour, this time a bit darker red, and then I'm going to draw the same rectangle thing, so I'm going to have minus 25, minus 40, X2, I'm just going to leave it at 25, so it's a maximum value it can be. And Y2, I'm going to have -50. And I'll change it to outline and relative. And it'll draw a nice rectangular outline box around my health bar. Just makes it look pretty. Okay. With that done, I'm going to make sure my player can fire the bombs. So I'm going to go add event, mouse, global mouse, left release, main one, spawn moving object, choose my bomb, type in X, Y, speed of 6. If you want further details on how to do this, check out my shooting to mouse video. Direction will be point underscore direction, open brackets, X, comma, Y, comma, mouse underscore X, comma, mouse underscore Y, close brackets. And that'll shoot it towards my mouse. Click OK. Okay. Now I put in the room skeleton and click tick. Now we're going to test it. Okay, so here we have our sprite of our skeleton dancing away there, and here's our health bar we drew. Pretty cool, eh? Now if I shoot towards, you'll see the health bar start to go down. There you go, health bar's completely gone. To destroy the instance when you run out of health, simply click the X, go open your object skeleton, in a step event, go to control, drag test variable, HP underscore %, and I usually go, if it's smaller than 1, that means it could be 0 or a negative value, just in case it's uneven. If it's smaller than 1, destroy itself. And that's it. It's done. And that's how you make health bars. If you have any comments, please leave them behind. Like this, friend it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and look out for more updates in the future. I've been Ryan Ali, and thank you.